we look at what's trending on Twitter and what's on the front page of today's newspapers. On Twitter, Big Nas is trending after the Kwaito star announced that he will be leaving his record label Afrotainment. Currently, the star has a hit single alongside Mikasa called Barman. Many of his Twitter followers are wondering how he will survive the music industry without the support of DJ Tira. On the front page of The Star this morning, in a headline titled Jailed King Gets 1.1 million rands, reporters discovered that Abatembu King Buyelekhaya Dalindyebo is still receiving his 1.1 million rand salary from President Jacob Zuma, despite him serving a 12-year jail sentence. On the front page of The Citizen today, in a headline titled SA Stands Firm on Mos Def, government dispels the myth that the arrest of rapper Mos Def was politically motivated. The rapper was arrested after it was discovered that he has been living in South Africa for over a year and has been traveling with what is called a world passport. Despite what some might think, the world passport does exist and is accepted in over 150 countries around the world. However, South Africa is not one of them. On the front page of the Business Day today, in a headline titled Bloodbath as Panic Engulfs Markets, a sellout yesterday gave global equity markets the worst start to the year ever as oil tumbled to 13-year lows. Last year, global investors and companies pulled out about $700 billion out of emerging markets, which was the worst capital flight ever in 15 years. Experts believe 2015 will be just as bad as more companies and investors are set to pull out from emerging markets.